Here's a short video to show you how to create a meeting link to send to your clients in Filogix Expert Pro. Once your calendar has been connected, you'll be able to create meeting links for your clients to easily book a time to speak with you. To create a meeting link, follow these steps. From the calendar on your dashboard, click Meetings, then add Scheduling page. Enter the name for your meeting, and if you have a private meeting link, you can paste it here too. You can set how long each event is for, the time frame during which it can be booked, 9 to 5 on Monday to Friday, for example. Then click Create to get your meeting link. Here, if you click Edit, you can add some additional information, including a minimum booking notice as well as custom fields like a phone number. If you click Required, your customer must enter this information in order to book a meeting with you. You can also update your page styles by adding your logo and including a theme color. Click Save and Exit. If you click Copy Link, this will copy your meeting link so you can easily share it with your clients or even add it to your email signature. If you click View, you will see exactly what your meeting page will look like, complete with your logo and your colors. That's how to create a meeting link to send your clients in by Filogix Expert Pro.